What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm filming a little unboxing haul. This is a collective makeup haul. I've literally been eyeing some new makeup recently, and I have laid out some little cute content for Valentine's Day of like all of my makeup products that I'm into, that I'm using currently on my skin right now. So I want to show you everything I got. I have 3 packages here. Is that excessive? A little bit, but it was necessary, so let's just get started. So guys, these are the 3 boxes I ordered from Sephora twice, of course, and then I ordered something from DIBS. It's a new brand. I've been seeing it all over TikTok for like the longest time ever, and I'm so happy I'm finally testing out some of the makeup products because the pigments and the shades, they just look so good, so I have to get it, obviously. I feel like I haven't done an online unboxing in forever. Let's get this open. Alright guys, so the first thing that I have in this one is just 2 little beauty items here. So guys, I'm so happy that I repurchased my same previous under eye concealer. This is worth the price point. It lasted me an entire year. I didn't have any problems, any breakouts, anything out of order with this under eye concealer, so I thought, why not give her another try. I was honestly going in another direction with under eye concealer, but I couldn't be bothered with all the shade matching again, so I literally just got the same thing in a shade lighter. This is what it looks like. The bottle is so pretty, you guys. It just says Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer on it. I'm not even sure if this is going to focus because of my lighting right now, but this is what it looks like. It's super tiny, which I like, and honestly I could fit this in my pocket if I didn't have space in my purse, which I love. So love a good concealer, you guys. So guys, next thing that I have, obviously I had to pick up one of the Summer Fridays lip oil. So this is the Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil in the shade Pink Cloud. The packaging is so pretty, guys. I thought this is also nice in time for Valentine's Day, like a cute little pink lip oil. So excited to test this out. They didn't have any in my Sephora. I don't know if they did the first few days or something, but I just ordered it. And look at how gorgeous she is, you guys. She's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I want to use this right now, but I put on this like Rhode and Charlotte Tilbury lip liner on right now, but we're gonna test her out at some point. Ooh. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but that's an applicator. It's so pretty. I love this so much, you guys. I know I'm gonna be obsessed when I start using this on my lips, but it's so cute. Love the packaging, love the pink. Just everything like pink and white. It just looks so good together. And yeah, I'm gonna give you like a little close-up shot. Not sure if that's focusing either, but so guys, let's open the second box from Sephora. Honestly, I could have done this all in one go, but I was kind of like indecisive on what things I wanted to get. So guys, what have you been up to? I miss you guys so much. I haven't been on YouTube and I feel like a long time. I've just really been consistently working and being burnt out from work and just like having no energy at all, and I don't want to come on here like that, which is why I've been away. But I missed you guys so much and I'm so excited to be back. Where is this thing at? I found her. So guys, you guys know I love Saie Beauty so much. I have so many other blush shades and I'm just starting to branch out to other stuff. Like I also picked up a pink highlighter during the holiday season, which I love, but I don't use as often because it's not something I usually put in my everyday makeup routine, but I love to just spice it up a little here and there and like, you know. So guys, I already own a few shades from Saie Beauty. I have the dreamy one, I have the rosy one, and I have the chilly one, and this is going to be my 4th blush to my collection. I'm obsessed. So this one is their liquid cheek flush blush. If you wanted to know what kind of like product it is, it's more like a creamy blush, which I like. And this is their new pink one in the shade Baby. I thought also very cute, perfect pink in time for like Valentine's Day looks. So I'm super excited to try this. Alright, this is how I came across the shade Baby. I was on Pinterest. Obviously, I'm a girly girl, so I'm always looking through like everyone's makeup bag, their inspiration, like their go-tos, their fragrances, and things like that. I'm on that kind of Pinterest feed. And I saw this shade, but it was a mini one in like a trio set, and I didn't realize that it was available during the holiday season to order. And when I saw it, you guys, it was sold out, and I was so sad, and I was just like hoping like maybe it'll come back in stock. Let me give my email and it'll come back out. Never did. But then they put on the Instagram feed that they're coming out with this shade, which was the one in the trio set that I've been wanting for the longest time ever, you guys. And I'm so happy to have my hands on this, and I know it's gonna look really great. I can't wait to do like a little get ready with me makeup look showing you guys it. Alright guys, so this is what she looks like. Wow, she is gorgeous, you guys. Very, very pretty, very cute. I love all the pink right now. It's really giving me pink girl vibes. I just pink girl vibes. I don't know, guys, but it's just so cute. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait. I kind of want to just put this on right now, but after this I'm probably gonna film a get ready with me using all this new makeup I got, so I'm so excited. So guys, this is the last box we're opening. I know it's so sad it ended, but I don't really need a lot of new makeup. The next things I want to test out are like eye makeup, but we'll have another video for that, testing it out. And yeah, I'm just really excited for all the makeup content I'm coming out with this year for you guys. I'm obsessed. I do my makeup every day and I really love it, so I want to show you guys it. But this is the last package we have here, you guys. This is from DIBS and it's called Desert Island Beauty Status, but they abbreviated it to DIBS, which is so cute. So guys, for DIBS, they have their own website. You should check it out. The prices there are really good too, like especially for like blushes and contour sticks and things like that. So this one is a little bit easier to open. You just rip that part off and I guess just lift it up. Oh, that was simple. Okay, first initial unboxing from DIBS. This is what it looks like, guys. I wish I had better lighting for this. Like, I'm so sad about this, but I'm sorry. So guys, it says, so good it makes Desert Island Beauty Status. This is going straight in your makeup bag, Courtney Shields, and then all of the tags below it. I just think that is such a cute little print here. All right, guys, so I ordered this at like, not even kidding, 4 or 5 in the morning because I was like so indecisive. It was one day I just couldn't sleep and I'm like, should I order this, should I not? I was doing my research on TikTok, watching all the influencers and like people reviewing her products, and I went through all the shades and I just thought about like what would look good for me, what colors would I like in my makeup bag, and I found some stuff, so let's just go through it. I didn't get much. I got like 3 items from here and I'm so happy I did. But I feel like I want my makeup bag to be more minimalistic this year. Like, of course I want to incorporate more clean beauty products in my makeup bag and my skincare, but we're starting with our baby steps. So Saie Beauty is always very easy because it's my favorite, so I love it naturally. But I want things to be a lot easier and like less heavy. Like, I have 2 makeup bags, you guys. That's ridiculous because I don't even use everything in those 2 makeup bags. Even my everyday makeup bag, you guys, I don't use all of the products that's in there, so like I need to like cut down on it, but I still wanted to test out new things that I feel like will be really smart. So the first thing that I got is this DIBS duo stick. It's called Desert Island Duo and I got the shade 2.5. So the blush is in the shade Cool Girl and then the bronzer is in the shade No Shade. Isn't that so funny? Okay, this is the packaging. It's so cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love it. I have been saving my packaging lately. I don't know why. I'm gonna like do a full-on like picture of everything, make it all Pinterest aesthetic-y, and yeah. So this is what the stick looks like. This is so cute. So the first side is the blush and it has a little twisty applicator, so you just twist it up. It has a smell to it, you guys. It smells really, really nice. Almost smells like birthday cake flavor mix. Very vanilla, very sweet. I like it. But this is what the stick looks like. It has that little pink blush. Maybe I'll do some swatches for you guys. So guys, the pigment picks up so easily. It just glides on your skin. Like, this I think is perfect for an everyday makeup look, if you're not really into like all the products like me. But look at that shade, you guys. That is so pretty. I love that. And then the other side is the little bronzer. Bronzer or contour has never been a step in my makeup routine, so I'm actually not sure what I'm gonna do with this stick, but I'm just gonna like wing it and follow other people's way of them doing their contour bronzer. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Wow, guys, it looks so good. It blends in really well. I think this will be a nice shade. I kind of wasn't sure what like bronzer shade to get or contour shade, and I know like they have different depths. Like bronzer just, I guess, warms up the face, and then contour actually sculpts and defines everything, if I'm saying that correctly. But I don't know, I thought this was a good start, and if I don't like it, I just won't use that side, you know what I mean? Like, if I don't really know how to apply it well and I don't like the shade on me. But honestly, on my skin tone, I feel like it looks really good. Like, it looks really natural. I like these products, you guys. They're so good. Does this have a smell to it? I don't know. It smells like chocolate. Like, it smells like those little cocoa cereal puffs or something like that. It smells really good. So I'm so happy that I have this, and I can't wait to add this in my makeup bag and start using it on a daily. Okay, so you just twist it off I thought it was like a little thing where you lift up, but oh my god, that is huge, you guys. I'm never gonna run out of this. This is so much in here. Oh my god, I love that. Okay, so let's swatch the first side. That's what it looks like. It kind of looks chalky, but I feel like it's blendable, and then when you blend it with this one, it looks good. This other shade I'm not really gonna use. I didn't really buy this for this shade here. I bought it for this one. Let's swatch her as well. This pigment is pretty. I'm gonna try to like put as much on so you can really see the product. I think a little goes a long way, but for the purpose of the swatch, I want you guys to actually see what it looks like. So this is like whatever shade this is. You guys can see all the swatches here. I feel like it just looks so good together, and I'm so excited to use these and test out these products. I really like it. It can even be like a highlighter for me. I don't know, guys. You guys know I experiment and I just play around with my makeup and have fun with it. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't think I would ever put this on alone. I think I would always like mix some or like add this on top of any of my other blushes, like from Saie or anything like that. But I think this is really, really cute. Alright guys, and the last thing that I picked up from DIBS is the little brush set here. So this is called the DIBS Duo Brush 15. I'm really into dual brushes. Like, I have one from Makeup by Mario, and it's the F5 brush, you guys. And when I tell you, I use that for every part, every step in my makeup routine. Like, I use that to do my full face concealer, I use it for my under eye concealer, I use it for my blush. It's just an amazing brush. So I think also this is really good to have instead of having a ton of makeup brushes that I will probably not use as much. It's better to just get one. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. Let's take this out. So guys, this side here is a lot more dense. They're so soft, you guys. Like, these bristles are so soft. I'm excited to test this out. I'll let you guys know how the quality holds up. I've had brushes in the past and they start to shed, which isn't good. And like, one time it broke my skin out. I'm gonna be honest on here, guys. It was the Rare Beauty foundation brush. I had the bristles all over my face and my face was so itchy and irritated. And then the next day I had all these tiny like bumps, like as a reaction from the bristles on here. But I'm hoping that this doesn't shed. The one by Makeup by Mario doesn't shed, so I highly recommend that one, especially for the price point, you guys. It's worth the money. This one, I'll let you guys know. I feel like I probably won't even use this one as much because I'm just so obsessed with my Makeup by Mario one. Alright guys, this is all the new makeup I have. I'm so excited. I can't wait to have so much fun and play around with this. I just did my base today for my face. As you guys can see, I have like the full glam on right now, but I'm so excited to test this out, play around with this, show you guys, give my review, and yeah, I'm so excited I have all this. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Do you guys get my little pink theme going on here? Like, my hat has pink in it, and like I'm getting all these like nice little pink makeup products right now. I'm obsessed.